Hey there, Amanda here with Clive Coffee. Today we're going to be setting up your new LUCCA X58 espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine from the box and set it on a stable, level surface. If you find any damage, please contact us right away. We recommend saving all of the packing materials in boxes in case you ever need to ship the machine. Step 2. Water quality and filling your reservoir. Before introducing any water into the machine, it's important to test it to make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a softness around 50 parts per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water or click the link in the description of this video. Once you've verified your water is adequately softened and filtered, fill the machine's removable water reservoir. Step 3. Turning on the machine and filling your boiler. Plug in your machine and turn on the power switch. With the power on, the machine will automatically begin filling and heating the boiler. We'll need to give the machine at least 15 minutes to heat. Even when the boiler is up to temperature, the machine will need time to warm up the E61 style group head to ensure temperature stability. At this point, your machine is just about ready to pull your first shots. Since this machine is a heat exchanger, the steam boiler will run a bit hot. It's important to remember to flush water through the group head to achieve an ideal brew temperature. We recommend about 15 seconds for a standard cooling flush. With the portafilter removed, you should be able to hear the temperature drop from a slight hiss to a quiet trickle. Now that we have cooled our brew temperature, we're ready to pull shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and simply lift the brew lever to begin pulling espresso. When you'd like to stop your shot, return the brew lever to its off position. From here, we encourage you to experiment and enjoy your new LUCCA X58. For more coffee know-how, click subscribe, comment with any thoughts or questions, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.